Welcome to this week's video, and we're checking out this awesome coin collection that I picked up from the Westminster collection. It is the Great British Isles Wildlife 10p collection. Now what we've got first is the series, which is actually the Woodland Creatures. So this is the folder that I've received, and I'm locked in now for this whole collection. So as and when they come out, they're just going to send them to me. This is for the brilliant uncirculated versions without colour on them. I already did a video on the ones with colour on them. I actually sent those back, and I've decided that I'm just going to continue with this set from now on. And I've already had a look at the coins, and I'm very impressed with them. So the folder is really nice. It goes obviously on my bookcase now with the other Change Checker albums that I've got. So fits in nicely and makes your presentation look good. So this is how all of the coins have arrived. So I'm just going to get into this and get them out of there. And there we have it. This is the presentation with obviously this sheet of A4 plastic that has now been put in, and I think it looks great. There's a corresponding letter which outlines the fact that unless I opt out, I'm locked in for all of the future series of this coin. And to be honest with you, at the price, I can't quibble. This entire set with the folder was under £20, which is fantastic. If they continue to keep bringing them out at this great price, then I can only imagine that a lot of people are going to start collecting them, and yeah, I can't stress enough. Great coins. So what we're going to do now is actually get these out of their holders. I want to show off each design. I'll just quickly show off first of all though the obverse of one of them. And there we have it. Bulwark of Guernsey 2021 and Elizabeth II on that coin. And as you can see, these coins are in really good condition. And the first 10 pence that we're having a look at is this one, and it's the European Badger. And again, can't stress highly enough that the quality and finish on these coins is really good. I can't fault them, and I'm loving the designs. I can't actually wait to see what the rest of this series is going to be. Woodland Creatures first. What's next? Next up we have the Red Fox, and that is a lovely coin as well. And I've just actually looked over at the piece of paper that comes with this. I'm saying Woodland Creatures, but this set is actually officially called the Woodland Mammals. There we go. Hopefully I've caught that nicely in the light. And next up we have the Fallow Deer. And this is actually the first 10 pence coin that is showing a little bit of marking on it. But to be honest with you, at the price that this collection is, I'm not going to quibble over that, because I'm only interested in the coins themselves. I'm not trying to sell them or anything, so it's for my own collection and I can live with this. Next up is the Brown Hare, and again, the only thing I would say about these 10 pence coins is that they are missing almost like a rim design. It almost makes it look like a token. It's quite hard to identify this as a 10 pence coin from its reverse, but like I said, the artwork on them are brilliant. Next up is the Red Squirrel, and I believe that this one and the next coin are actually the two that I had when I bought the colour set originally. And then finally the Hedgehog. And I don't know, just looking at all of the coins right now, this might be my favourite. I don't know, I'll have another quick look at them and let you know what I think. So there it is. That is all 6 of those 10 pence coins, and I've had a look at them again, and yeah, at the moment I think that the Hedgehog is definitely my favourite. Let me know which one you think is best in the comment section below, of course. Another thing that I would have liked is on this side of the card, maybe just the denomination, the coin specs, and whatnot, just written on the back, but I think they are greatly presented. And like I said, it comes in this folder so that I can continue to put any future collections within it. So let me know in the comment section below, what do you think of this collection? Have you been collecting them in the brilliant uncirculated standard like I am continuing to do so, or are you going to carry on getting the colour versions? Personally, I'm not, but that was obviously my decision. And yeah, like I said, I just want to know what you think of the designs on these 10 pence coins. So leave that in the comment section below, because it always interests me. If you're new around here, why not hit that subscribe button, because I release new coin content weekly. Thanks for watching.